-4, but feels like -20 with the wind. It's very windy. It's supposed to get up to gusts of 50, something like 30k winds, gusts to 50. So she's breezy, and I can feel it. Well, we're just trying to get some lights on in here and get set up a bit, you know, try to get the place up and running so we can set everything else up. There we go. We have light. Man, is it windy out there. Hey, super time by. Yeah. We're just, I just made a new chimney section for this specific tent, so I don't have to use that same one that's got the snare wire wrapped around it, which was a bit too short. So all of the tape is new on this chimney, this new section. So it's burning off. That's why I got both doors open, so it can just smoke away and air out. Hey, bud. Supper time, eh? It's almost a guarantee he'll end up in my bed anyways, but I bought him this cot, might as well see if he likes it. Well, we did a bit of rearranging. Hi, what do you want, eh? So the stove, propane tank, and my cot and my chair are all in the same place, but I put this camp kitchen back there, 2 shelves so we can stash the stove and the burner and a pan and whatever else we need. Still nice and small though. I put the cooler by this door. That was the door we used last time as the primary door. Her cot would probably go here. So I'm going to guess my boots. But if we had everything underneath, including the dog bowls and all of our gear, we should still have, you know, this this much room, which is about, I'm going to say 3 feet to get out that door, in and out that door. So that would accomplish what I want, but winter camping is tough in the sense of what tent to take, because you don't want it too big in case you go alone, like me and my dog. You don't want to have to heat all that extra space unnecessarily and burn propane or wood for no reason, but yet you want it big enough to comfortably fit the whole family. So this might be just a little small for that. Have a nice cup of soup here, beef, just the dollar store ones. I like them, they're nice and salty. But yeah, little bite to eat, and we'll get a movie on the go, and I think it's going to be early to bed tonight. Oh, what do we watch today? There we go. All right. Good night, everyone. Well, the snow's coming. It's looking pretty dark over there. Well, deer hunting is still going on, so there's been a few shots this morning. Oh, there's one. This is mine. Good boy. Hey, what are you doing? you can see I'm well on the ice. It looks to be about 2 inches thick here. Whoa, what is that? Whoa, gross. Looks like a cockroach or something. The ice is super clear. It's not safe yet, but just this first little bit is. Oh, he is alive. Look at that. I don't know what that is, but it's gross. Okay, Birch. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Good boy. Well, it's certainly not warm out here. It's not too bad yet, but about -4, I think. Go on, bud. Go on, bud. Go get him. Good boy. So you can see this is the other side, that big pond again. It's still wide open. This is the pond that I'm camped in front of. And it's all ice. So no ripples on that lake or pond. It's a dangerous time of year when there's only couple inches at the shore and it thins out as it gets to the middle. People think it's safe and they keep walking and they forget to keep checking. Then they go through and panic. Come on, come on. So this time of year, dogs stay off the lake. We pretty well stay off the lake till we get some good ice. Well, we just got back in from about an hour walk. Oh. Well, I think I'm going to get into comfy clothes and listen to the radio or an audiobook or something.
Including here in Manitoba. A union representing Manitoba healthcare workers says its voice is being heard by the new NDP government. Manitoba Association of Healthcare Professionals. Hospital patients can be
Well, getting a bit hungry. It's 1:30 in the afternoon now. So I'm gonna make some. I'm gonna try this Alpine Air Thai style chicken. So it's gonna take a while to cook. I gotta put the water on the stove here. It says 2 cups. You always go a little less, I find, at least with Mountain House. I don't do these Alpine Air much, so this will be the first time having this one. But gonna get it on the stove and have a bit of a lunch. How's my boy? Hey, how's my boy? Starting to get cool? Hey. Right, eh? Yeah. And the water's boiling, so let's make some lunch. Good boy. Let's stand 10 to 12 minutes. Okay. Now that I've got the plastic off the camp table, should be a piece of cake. There we go. Stir that around a bit, I guess. Now we wait. There's a bunch of people driving in here right now. No blaze orange on or anything, although rifle season is still going on. It's the end of November here, so. But they're hauling trailers with like Jeeps and stuff, so I think they're going to be going cruising. Holy crap, that's good. Mmm. That is good. I'll give you a little clip of camp here. it's not much different, but at least it's daylight now. Be able to see it. I did rotate it one of the Pentagon ways so that my window would be overlooking the lake this time. And then I've got one overlooking out back here, which can see all the main traffic roads. So that's pretty much it. Just set up at this lake edge and just enjoying the outdoors. Alright, stove set up. We got to use the big pot for the rice here. Just want to see how much to put in. That should be plenty. I'll fill those waters up after supper. And I'm going to just stick this on the New Way stove to let it heat up as it can. Well, there we go. It's on the stove. And I'm in no rush for supper, but whenever that starts boiling, I'll get the salmon on the go. Little salmon and rice. Oh. Hey, bud. It was still a bit smoky in here a little bit, but I'm not sure cooking real food in here is a good idea. That's good. This salmon and rice with the roasted garlic and pepper seasoning, and then the basmati rice, I think it's called, with salt and pepper. Well, good morning, everyone. It is 5 a.m. Sunday morning. It has been just whipping all night, that wind. And ice formed on here somewhere outside, and it's just the ice is all like skipping across the tent and hitting other ice. And it's very windy. It's gusting right now to 48 kilometers. So that's it's quite a bit when you're in a little hub-style tent. But the tent is doing well. A couple months ago, I actually replaced the guy lines for this with paracord. So they were just normal rope before. Now it's actual paracord, 550. So as long as my pegs don't pull out of the ground, we're not going anywhere. I did not get much sleep last night. Yeah, nor did Birch. But it's pretty cool. So it snowed for a bit last night into this morning. Now I think it's just windy. I don't think it's snowing anymore. It's still dark outside. I can't see, but I'll shine my headlight out there in a bit. But since we're up, we're gonna get coffee on the go. Coffee and breakfast. Alright, well, we got our coffee now. I just looked at the weather again, and it's gusting to 51 kilometers an hour now. And by 9 o'clock, it's going to be gusting to 59 kilometers. So, at first light, I need to be putting this tent down, because if I'm putting it down at 9 o'clock, that's an extra, 8 kilometers of wind to contend with. So we made it. Wow. Okay. All right, my friend. Oh. Good boy. Some hot chocolate, some coffee, mocha. Oh, that's hot. Yep, still snowing. Well, starting to get light out. So I guess it's time to get going. Well, I hope you all enjoyed. It was a pretty fun trip for me. And I can't wait to do it again. So, hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.